When it comes to manufacturing, unplanned downtime is your biggest enemy. When critical machinery fails, production stops, and costs skyrocket. A major food and beverage plant faced this exact challenge. Excessive wear on the main gearbox output shaft of their critical Krones machinery posed a serious risk of costly downtime. The threat of halted operations, disrupted delivery schedules, and significant financial losses was high. They needed to address the mechanical wear before it escalated into a catastrophic failure. They needed a partner they could trust. Megger Industrial Reliability stepped in with our proactive asset monitoring approach. Our advanced vibration sensors and data analysis techniques continuously tracked the health of their machinery. When velocity levels suddenly spiked from 2 millimeters per second to over 5 millimeters per second, our system immediately flagged the anomaly. Our experts analyzed the raw data to pinpoint the exact issue, identifying severe gear wear. With a 10-week lead time for replacement parts from the manufacturer, we helped the plant's engineering team make a swift, informed decision. Learn how Megger Industrial Reliability can ensure operational continuity for your facility.